Welcome. Today's lesson is going to be lesson 7.5. It's going to be on double transformations. So we're going to take transformations, like this one here, and we're going to do one move, and then we're going to do another move after that. So we're going to reflect, and then reflect again, or we might even rotate. We might even rotate and then reflect, or we might take a triangle, move it clockwise, and then we're going to reflect it. So there'll be some things that we're doing today. Let's start with some jokes. I don't trust atoms. I've heard they make up everything. Stock market crash? What a catastrophe. So let's start with a couple examples. And actually, I'm not going to be doing today's lesson. We're going to have a guest speaker. Maybe you've heard of him. He's on this famous program called Sesame Street, and his name is the Cookie Monster. So the Cookie Monster is going to be joining us today.
Yeah, Cookie Monster! Yeah. Cookie! Yeah. I love cookies. Me make mass cookies. We won't do this problem then. Nah, cookies. 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 So what we're going to do is a Cookie Monster weapon. Cookie Monster wants to do a translation of 5 units left and 4 units up. Cookie Monster loves cookies. Cookie Monster's favorite cookies are chocolate chip chunks from McCafe. Cookie Monster is going to start on E and go 5 units left and 4 units up. Then Cookie Monster is going to label this E prime. Next, Cookie Monster is going to move it over the Y axis. Cookie Monster loves cookies. Cookie Monster is going to count 1, 2, 1, 2. And then label it E double prime. More cookies. Oh, we did one question, more cookies. More cookies. Cookies. Made mess. Cookie Monster made mess. Cookie Monster cleaned up. Yeah. Gonna rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Flip their points. 1, 4. And I'm in. So I'm going to end up in this quadrant right here. Cookie break. So now I have 1, 4. Our points in this quadrant are positive, negative. So I put a negative on top of the 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will label this H with a dash above it. More cookies. So now I go up to the x-axis and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cookies! Cookie Monster gets his cookies from the McCafe. McCafe! More cookies!
Oops.
Cookie Monster labeled these points here. Now he's going to show you how to rotate it clockwise, and then Cookie Monster is going to show you how to reflect it over the line 1. The first thing Cookie Monster is going to do is eat more cookies. Cookies. Cookie Monster rotates this 180 degrees. And Cookie Monster remembers when you rotate it 180 degrees, the points stay the same. So L is going to be 3, 2. Now Cookie Monster also sees that L is in the 3rd quadrant. So Cookie Monster is going to move it up here. And all points in that quadrant are positive, positive. Cookie Monster sees that T is in this quadrant, and it's moving down here. So Cookie Monster is going to leave the points the same, but make it positive, negative. Cookie Monster sees that A is here, and it's up here now, so it'll be positive, positive. Yay, Cookie Monster says to plot the points. So here go 3, 1, 2. 3. This is point L. 3, 1, 2. And A is 5, 1. Cookie Monster says to connect your dots. And then put dashes above each letter. The last thing we have to do is we have to graph it over the image x equals 1. Cookie Monster can't wait to eat his paper. So there's the line x is equal to 1. So Cookie Monster is going to count 2 and count 2. Count 2 and count 2. Count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cookie Monster is going to connect his dots. And there we go. Cookie Monster has now translated or clockwise it and reflected it. Cookie Monster says to pause the video if you need more time. Cookie Monster's hungry, he's gonna eat this delicious. Cookie Monster says the learning goal today was I can complete double transformations. Thank you so much. Now I'll eat more cookies.